Yup, it's my birthday. Yup, it's my birthday. Yes, y'all, it's my birthday. It's still February 28th. And your girl just got home. My baby is up there taking a nap because he needs to be in a great mood tonight when we go out to eat. And yeah, we're not going till 8. So yeah, he's going to be sleepy. So let the baby take a nap because he need it. So he can be in a good mood around all the family and everything. So yes, we are going out to eat tonight. You know, just with my immediate, you know, my folks right here who I rock with on a regular. Y'all seen them all before. So y'all will see them again tonight. We are going to the Crab Hut. We're not going to just Crab, we're going to the Crab Hut. It's very similar, basically the same thing, just a little more hood, I would say. So yes, we are going there tonight. It's gonna be lit. And I'm gonna make sure I'm lit. I'm about to start it off with me a little Rita. I thought I got me a little Rita before I picked up my baby. So yeah, I'm about to indulge in this, you know, do my thing or whatever. Your girl feeling good. I had a great day today so far. Like, they've been great, like, for real. Yeah, I saw Wolf got me my little jogging suit. Fortune's not gave me his gift yet. He said I'm gonna get it tonight. So yay. I don't know what I'm getting. Yeah, I saw that Amy got me donuts and everything and got my balloons and everything laid out. So that made me feel very special. And she also got me this thing right here. She was telling me, she was like, I got you something that's really little, but it's like a lifesaver type thing. And I'm over here guessing like weird, crazy stuff. But it's actually this little thing here. And it's like a rescue thing. Like if you're ever in a car accident or stuck in your car, or, you know, you can, I need to read the instructions on how to really work it, but you can like cut the seat belts, bust the window open, all that cool stuff. So yeah, that's lit. I need to figure out how to work it. So if I ever in a situation, I can actually use it. But yeah, I'm about to, like I said, drink my little Rita and do whatever I'm doing. And yes, your girl is having a good day. I'm so blessed to see yet another year. Thank you, God, for blessing me, you know, with health and wisdom and, you know, knowledge and an amazing family and friends and, you know, y'all. I'm just so blessed, so grateful, so thankful for it all, for real. So yeah, it's lit. Like, I have no complaints. Y'all should be seeing this on March 1st. So if you didn't see my birthday post on Instagram or Facebook, you know, your girl dropped her Cash App name on here. Miss Brittany Marshall. You know, y'all want to donate $1 to the cause. I'm just playing, but nah, for real. It's been successful today. I was surprised. My coworker was like, ain't nobody gonna send you no $1. She was wrong. I got $20, $10, $5, dollars. Yeah. Thank y'all so much. I'm gonna shout all y'all out as soon as I can be able to look through my phone and record on my phone and look at everybody's names. But if y'all gave your girl $1 or $5 or 10, thank y'all so much. And if y'all just told me happy birthday, thank y'all so much. All of that means so much. So I thank y'all. I rock with y'all for real. But yeah, your girl about to get litty right quick. It's only 6:20. Dang, that ain't the only. So basically we got an hour to chill. I thought I had a little longer than that, but my baby's gonna be asleep. He should be good. We got an hour to chill, and then we are going to get ready. Fortune's probably gonna have to meet us there because y'all know he worked for UPS. He's a driver and stuff, so he gotta trap out these packages. Y'all want y'all stuff, right? Yeah. So he gotta do his job. So he should meet us there at probably around 8. Hopefully he'll be able to get there on time. But yes, y'all, I just wanted to check in and say your girl is enjoying her birthday. It's lit. But yes, y'all, I just talk to y'all later. Y'all, we was over there at the Crab Hut, which is right behind us. We was over there, but we had to come to Red Lobster because, y'all, the wait was like, they said it was gonna be like 2 hours. So we had to go. I mean, I was there at first and it was like an hour, but then if I realistically, it might be like 2 hours. So we had to start. 30 minutes. It's better than 2 hours or an hour and a half. That's crazy. I did not think it was gonna be like that. Yeah. Mother, A.B., Bryce, Keandre. My daddy's over here. Well, Uncle D, I call him. Oh, you told him? You told him? Okay. Fortunate and wealth. I don't know why they sitting outside.
Oh, I left my gift in the car. That's right.
I got a gift, y'all. Oh, they red lobster.
And then they extra loud. So it's just
My dad. This is
Uncle
Junior Bree.
It's a black
Junior, Nika, Bryce, A.D., my mama, Bryce, and my baby. Right, I had him up here for a minute. He left.
I'm with the call,
We are all here.
I'm still watching the
So we
video.
had red lobsters because the other side was too deep.
It's like, yeah, it's
My friend
Alright, you
got
guys,
those.
I am about to open my gifts from my mother and dad and Bryce and A.B. Uncle and Bree sent me some money earlier. So
I know
got
folks
that
love
already.
you. Yeah, they be giving
I need to picture with my
outfits.
gift Saturday.
Get
So,
shorts.
just in case y'all want
He
it.
got shorts.
She got shorts on?
He got on now.
Yeah, I know.
This is
They,
from A.D.
you know the little winter hat he be wearing? The little winter hat?
Yes,
How y'all get that? Like, how did that? Y'all gotta pay for that? Let's get what's y'all size? It's free? That's a shirt?
What about this?
Yes.
Indeed. Of course.
Yes.
Yeah, one arm. Hold on.
It's gonna be hanging out to the side.
It's gonna be naked.
See,
Thank you.
where you gonna wear that shirt to? Though? That's the question.
I mean, I can wear it on the weekend.
To where?
To anywhere.
Oh,
On the
because Fortune don't
Saturday.
let you out the house.
What do you mean? It's a whole long sleeve on one side. Oh my God, he got a whole bag of goodies.
Okay.
I need hand lotion.
Baby said pulling the whites out.
See, I told you what he do. He paid the whole thing out the other bag. Here we go.
Oh, you gonna? Oh, those? Okay.
I some sweet pea. Some beautiful day.
So this been clean our hands on past the white
Too.
everybody. So
Hello, beautiful. I haven't had this one yet.
Oh, that one's bomb.
Yeah.
And then some little sprays. Beautiful day. Hello, beautiful. Oh, it's going with all of them. Ooh. Got a little Stetson sweet pea to go with all the lotions. Thank you, Auntie.
Excellent.
Yes, I be needing these
Yes, you do.
sprays.
I need some more spray too.
And I got the candle. I'm so mad I didn't make it to the store the other day when you sent it to me. And I was in the mall.
He finna take all that out, yo. He finna get those sprays. Get those sprays, well.
It smells
And
good.
I love you.
Thank you. This is champagne
He
toast.
said that's for me and mama. Okay.
Well, put my stuff back. Goodness gracious.
It ain't yours, though.
Got me a little lotion.
Oh, don't drop that, bro. That's glass.
For my purse also, and it's in the stars. I haven't used this little. This is a cute little container for the purse.
What is that for?
It's a lotion, but it like fit in the purse easy, you know. And then my birthday card. You're a very special needs. You always stand special needs in everything you do. Reflects the caring qualities so typical of you. That's why it's only natural for this birthday card to bring warm and loving wishes for the best of everything. Happy birthday. Happiness always. Ain't easy anything. Thank y'all. Hey, so sweet. Thank y'all. Well, can you put all my spray? Oh, my top is. He out of here. You wanna go down there and play with your cousin? Go play with your cousin. He wanna y'all just run around.
What is gonna pedal? He finna go. He not going with them folk. What's that? I ain't going with none of them.
Okay. Hey, cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. Okay, you doing too much.
Ain't need to let your mama enjoy her birthday with all that drunk.
No. You don't get that on my nerve.
Oh, mama, you babysitting?
But you, no, my he going to Macon.
Oh.
Thank you, Andy.
Oh, he finna.
No, he over there was to your dad.
Okay. We ain't even get no break. Let them walk there.
Thank you, Auntie.
I tell you, I'm just gonna sit right here. And let me go ahead and get this up. I got wipes. Fine.
What?
We're gonna do the rest of these wipes. I use one of those.
Well, everybody can just use
I'm gonna get some
And this is from my mother and daddy and bride. Cute little bag.
What is that? Lottery ticket?
Well, you got a lot of stuff in this little bag.
That's what I'm saying. That's all. Who was at the house shoot us?
It ain't that much.
You got some Gucci flip-flops in there, don't you?
I got a little Fashion Nova order I gotta get out.
They're gonna get us good tomorrow.
Okay.
Can't wait for that gift. Favorite gift.
That might not be no one.
I thought that was.
These are so cute.
Put some luck on that.
But you ain't got no swag.
These are cute. This is me right here, Bryce.
Short, they're kind of short.
But that's for the beach.
I can put on, right, this little dressy shorts. Cute little black heels or something.
Them pants, right?
Yes, this is some pain.
Oh, I finna say mine. That's for
Where
short.
you been shopping at? H&M?
You think she's so trendy?
I ain't been to H&M in a minute.
No,
She's so
it ain't.
trendy.
Oh,
What a
they're
trash
cute.
can,
They
man.
stretchy.
They look just like the front.
It looks exactly like the front. No, they're not leggings. They are pants.
They real reversible.
Mm-hmm.
You can't even put them on backwards.
Feel like they're gonna fit good though, cause they got a good stretch. What you say they gonna look like? What, mama?
You got somebody, hey.
What the high feel too? I mean, a cute little shirt. Ooh.
Pretty. That shirt can't fit you.
Why you say it can't fit me?
Small.
It's a medium, first of all.
I gotta go buy another ticket.
Can't bring it, but that shirt goes like right here.
Right. I can fit this shirt. What are you talking about?
That's a little kid shirt.
Right.
A girl at my school wear that
This
shirt.
shirt fit me all the way.
A girl at my school can wear that shirt.
Right. What are you doing? What's your name?
Well,
I'm acting like you. Thank you.
Hello, these are a lot of whites. I just noticed.
Right. Thank
First, they
y'all.
have never much to do with it. But
it's a different.
Who you said? Bryson?
Ooh,
He just
you
participated.
never have much to do with anything.
Right,
that's our
right.
dude.
Did
I
you
bought.
tell her happy birthday?
Yeah, and I shouted
He
her
made me
out
a
on
post
Instagram.
on
Okay.
Instagram. Well, he made me a put on
Did
his
you
story.
shout her out on Facebook?
Sure did.
Oh,
I need to go to Facebook actually. I ain't really go look on Facebook. I saw Miss Shalane had made a post.
Yeah, you need to go on my
Crazy,
thing and tell everybody thank you.
Hold on, my thumb wet for these whites. Can't really open my phone.
I'm gonna go on there. I haven't been on Facebook for real.
You got a post with it?
Oh, and my phone went dead.
It's my birthday.
Get
Hey,
her phone.
yesterday. Hey,
The phone went dead.
I got a fortune still.
Why don't you have outlets in a
And then he gave me my gift. I got a gift.
You got your gift last night, baby. Huh?
Wow.
What, huh?
Nice.
Wait, what?
No, you said that was specifically from Wealth.
We want reciprocal. Right, there you go.
I'm bringing my bag up.
Hey, we gotta recycle that
No, I'm
bag,
not
man. Sign
recycling
up.
bags, man.
How you gonna recycle somebody so the bad somebody gave you?
Ain't no name right on here.
All black.
And it's probably recycled. Was it recycled?
That bag.
Yeah, all bags are recycled. Who buys bags?
Nobody.
Unless I have to like a new occasion and I don't have a bag for it.
Doctor bought me a little gift from the DR in the bag Monday.
Really recycled. Different.
I was like,
Got a bag.
I love vlog.
I was been spazzing out because it took so long for just the drinks and this is taking out. But we got them now. So we put our food order in at the same time we put our drinks order in. So hopefully our food be out soon too. Cause it's already 10 o'clock. Like this is the second night in a row. Well, yesterday I was leaving the restaurant at 10. Tonight I'm gonna be leaving at 10:45.
The granddaddy got a bitch. You wanna go talk to him?
This is biscuit right here. He got a whole biscuit right here, Fortune.
Probably not. I'll take 50 yet. We ain't got no damn food over here. Hungry and shit.
Yeah, we really have been talking so like, but there's nobody in here. We took us like 35 minutes, 40 minutes to get seated, And this room being empty. Like nobody's here. Nobody's here.
I told y'all how we get from Crab Hut.
But the Crab Hut, they made me mad though. She was like, just be real, it ain't gonna be nothing. We gonna be like an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's gonna be a long time.
She wanted us to leave.
She wanted us to leave. She wanted us to leave.
Maybe 3 hours.
Like she just kept like, really, you ain't gonna never get seated.
Maybe 4.
Well, you know we're gonna start serving breakfast tomorrow.
She was telling the truth.
We just stay on for
Maybe you can come here for brunch. We open at 11. And I was so looking forward for my bag.
What you do with your mama spray?
well.
Well,
Come in with your mama spray.
he ain't here, bitch. He is. My baby finally okay.
Man, I'm gonna give it to you.
Yeah, this is my family right here. These my folks. Well, you eat biscuit? I got 3. I got.
Yeah, I got
Who keep breaking my biscuit? I ain't broke none of my biscuits.
You ate?
Get on my plate.
I thought that was you.
Get off my plate. I haven't tasted my biscuit.
I feel like that's why he told me to break it so I can look like I broke it.
You broke my biscuit?
No. We enjoyed the part.
That's why I looked out like Fortune must have had 2 biscuits.
Let's go.
You got the gifts? Cool.
Stop at Waffle House and get me some pork chop. And we have pork chop meal from Waffle House.
That's all she really wants.
I ain't think that Crab Hut took reservation because it's so hood.
Right.
They probably, I still don't know if they took reservation.
You enjoy the biscuit?
Can we get
Check, please.
Yeah.
Watch out for that too. I don't want nobody slipping far.
What's that? Oh,
Thank you.
Well, getting it out.
How you think they gonna charge you?
Burp.
A lot?
How you think they gonna charge you?
I'm good.
A lot?
What for this? It's gonna be like $10 for drinks. It's gonna be like $20 for drinks.
I'm with it, though. Shit. Happy birthday. How old are you? Yeah, John Kilmer now.
Yeah, would y'all believe he's sober?
Extremely sober.
Yeah, John Kilmer now. Yes.
This me.
Yes. No, she drink alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay, take
AJ, how long on the salads and stuff?
Give me just 1 second. I gotta make it myself. Give me 1 second.
Damn. They got her working in the kitchen and on the table.
I'm gonna go back there.
I'm about to go help too. I know how to.
Keep coming on yourself. I'm sick of it.
Did you want your tomatoes?
I'm gonna get out.
I know how to pan sear some salmon though, for real. That's what I got. That's how I feel at this point. That reschedule. I feel the same way at this point, for real. I done went so long without eating. I feel like we're being so ratchet in this place right now. I feel like we're being so ratchet. We is talking to the top of our lungs.
That's the deal. If you gotta cook the food, we're gonna get our salads and hope another thing of biscuits. Get out of here. We ain't cooking no more.
She gotta cook steak, crab legs, salmon, shrimp.
It's 10 o'clock. I'm going to prison my ass again.
Oh no, don't say that.
No.
Don't say that. I cannot do it.
I can't believe it. You're gonna be sitting in that house.
Oh my God, y'all.
It been so long ago. I ain't realized 2 years. I thought I was decorating.
Yeah, these folks is crazy. I didn't even get a straw though. It's okay. I got me a drink. I'm finna just give me a drink, and then when I get home, y'all know what I'm gonna do. Cause I ain't got time. I ain't got time.
I can't. He just loud too.
It's still fun because everybody's funny and it's a fun birthday, but we is missing on all the food action.
They should have set us.
Ain't no food action. This is just a get together. This is. They go here, AJ. They go here, AJ. We gonna get put out for Red Lobster tonight.
At least I get.
It ain't nobody here.
They finna report us. Wolf just still down here, myself. Man. And how we get out of biscuits down here?
I'm like, man, these I don't want to get the biscuit too. I'm like, man, these boys ain't ready. Everybody grabs the biscuit. I'm like,
Bye, y'all. It's just a whole bunch of we just talking shit because we is hungry. It's 10 o'clock. We ain't ate. We all been saving our appetite for crab putt and we ain't get it. So now we just hangry. Yeah, we are loud. We missing the whole day.
Does she want to be?
Whoa.
Well, where you going? I know nobody else is here, but you can't just walk around.
Come on, baby.
That's exactly what he feel like he can do right now.
What Junior? What Junior follow Junior too? Oh, he trying to. Brylan, go in the bathroom.
Not that bad.
Don't tell him to do that.
That's the brand name,
Don't tell
man.
him to do that.
Brand name in there.
I don't care who in there. Don't tell him to do that. It's a terrible idea.
We the only ones in here.
Bathroom real nasty.
She cleaned it. She just cleaned it.
I don't mean go touch the toilet.
They eat everything.
Nobody says to touch the toilet.
He's gonna touch the toilet. That's what she telling you.
Goodness.
Stuck here with all the
Fortunately, we're gonna go to just a
If you won't get the next one, like,
I feel sick.
Y'all love y'all some Brightland. Brightland is here.
we tipping over there.
What does he mean?
Wolf gonna tip you right there.
Wolves gonna tip. We talking too much something. Like everybody just standing there. Look, everybody look so uneasy.
Hey, I'm on my neck, I'm gonna go out the door. I know she's a little money.
They say we look so uneasy. He is everywhere, standing all on their table. He always talking junk. He always stay talking junk.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna keep baby. Be outside waiting.
No. He gonna be outside. Your car gonna be outside in the driveway waiting on you. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see you bust down.
This shit don't make no sense.
Actually, the manager now. We good with this.
Now we are not leaving for just eating bread. I keep my
I'm
food.
starving actually.
Like, and I really like what I had too. I want that.
There's a discount on this shit.
A real dish and no.
They gonna be like, look, we already short staffed.
What Brandon does? Just kicking it?
Oh my gosh,
You a
y'all.
host? We're for the salad. We're gonna get the salad first. We're getting that thing. Hey, we really trying to talk to the big man.
You a shrimp. Nephew. Yeah, I had a
You had a
steak.
bunch of steaks.
Yeah, I got a steak. Bree got a steak. Y'all told my cousin happy birthday.
Yeah. I wasn't playing. I posted a blog today on my birthday. And it was recorded this morning.
AJ lying.
I know I seen it.
Lying ass.
Stop.
AJ gonna get his ass whooped just like Momo. Oh, I'm sorry,
Oh
Mom.
my God. Mama. Yeah. Y'all, right now I'm just gonna prep my food and make sure my food is good because we've been talking too much junk, too loud. Oh my gosh. Y'all. This is still a fun birthday. Just we're hungry. It's a hungry birthday. Ooh, we got food. We got salad at least. If you ain't got no salad, if you ain't got salad, dang. If you ain't got no salad on your plate. I got ranch too. Thank you, Junior. Say what's up. Thank you. Say hey, Junior.
I'm glad y'all knew Brandy, boy. Shit popping out. Caesar. Thank you.
We're gonna eat finger salad. We got finger salads.
Oh, finger salad.
No, Brylan.
Finger salad.
Brylan got happy because I said we got finger. Ooh, finger salad. Yo, I got me a little garden salad. But we don't got no silverware, so. And we been y'all stop talking junk. We gotta stick at our food.
I got one too. You got two more.
They don't say people spitting food for no reason. People spitting food. I ain't never did it. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see you bust down. Get up. Break it. When I get home, we're going to play that. We're going to dance to that, okay? Let me listen to that all day. That's my song.
Baby Shark.
No, Tatiana.
I want that dancing.
Let's play that song too, Mama. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see you bust down. Back it up. That's my song too.
Oh, he gone.
Who left?
Junior left.
These kids off the, they think they got a Red Lobster. We rented out a Red Lobster. We rented out the Red Lobster.
Ooh, she rented that Red Lobster for her birthday.
Hey.
She a big cat. We just ain't nobody else.
They already know. They already know. Alright, y'all, I'm finna eat my salad because I finally got it. And I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you, Brandy. Right now, you're like, it came so fast, you didn't have time to
That's what I'm
process it.
saying.
Well,
I finished
this
the salad. And this came. I'm gonna eat lobster
this
out
my
of
food
it.
right here. I think I got the same exact thing I got last night at Papa Do's, except for it's at Red Lobster. Like salmon, shrimp. That water better be good. Oh my goodness. Alright, everybody got their food for real now, y'all.
Y'all paid that A1.
Thank goodness. We ain't say nobody grace. Anybody say their own personal grace at least?
No.
Me. I said y'all a long time ago.
Daddy,
When I thought the food coming.
What you want to eat?
did you bless your food, Daddy?
I ain't blessed nothing yet. Y'all ready?
Yes, please.
Dear Father, thank you for this food and drink by the sea for next to my body. Thank you for the hands to prepare this food and Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Well, where's your straw? Can you not put the whole cup? What?
Why you gotta be weird?
Okay, so thank you. Well, now look at this. Look at it. Look what he did on the floor. And he just keep picking this cup.
You ain't getting nothing off, bro.
That's all you were trying to do. Y'all, it just turned midnight, so it just turned midnight. So it's March 1st now, and they scoot over a little bit with your boxes on. Scoot over a little bit. Okay. He just brought me this big old bag. He just brought it just now. So let's see. Did you wait till this time on purpose?
Nah.
Yes, you did.
It's actually not gonna give it to you because I ain't like your attitude.
You like my attitude. I've had a great attitude.
That was what it was. They asked me the question, I gave you answer, baby.
He was gonna wait till midnight. Took me both my birthdays.
You had to get up, start putting on stuff.
How to put on stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. I'm trying to. Well, I'm gonna open it in front of y'all first. is so heavy. Oh my goodness. I seen you, baby. Oh my gosh, child. Yeah, I see you. Y'all. There's a lot of stuff in there. Oh my goodness, baby. They went crazy again on the Fashion Nova.
You gotta open this shit. They can really try to see what it is.
I'm trying to fit it in. Cute. Yeah, cute. Be cute for the spring and summer. I like.
Howdy, folks. Try my $20 fill-off. You have 10 seconds to comply.
This is cute too. Gray and white. It's real cute. The little dress.
Try any $20 fill-up at KFC.
Real cute and it feels good.
How to Train Your Dragon to Hit Your Role is the #1 movie in America. Audiences give it an A. The visuals outdo anything you've seen before.
The whole world knows about us now.
How to Train Your Dragon to Hit Your Role, rated PG.
Hair drama? Get soft, glossy hair with new Tresemme Ultimate Hydration.
She's so happy.
Hydrating system ever with dry moisture complex. Say good to try. Tresemme puts in the work. So you
Like, I always feel like it's like I always feel like I don't have nothing to wear.
and no period. Just laying down.
I feel like I don't have nothing to wear. And yeah, so this is like, I think it's like this one. This is like the best thing ever. For real, y'all. For real. And then you pick out the stuff. Oh, this is cute. I got all the little dresses. Yeah, but I know when he likes something, he likes something. These are all so cute. Yes, you do.
Keep your coat.
This is cute. It's like the navy. This is cute. If y'all want me to do a try on haul, let me know.
Do the time one. Nah, sorry.
Well, Zaddy said we doing a try on, y'all. So, y'all watching this vlog on March 1st, on Friday, March 1st, y'all probably see it's like Monday. The try on haul. So, y'all hold him to it. You better do it. Always have
It'll
this
be on
other
the new
channel.
channel.
Oh, yeah, you know, it'll be on a new channel. Yeah, she's right. Gang, good morning to you. What's up, y'all? It is Friday, March 1st. So it's still my birthday, technically. I am in Publix right now. I'm living in some diapers at school. So I'm coming to get him some diapers. I should have got a buggy because probably gonna get a box for the case of diapers. But yeah, this is what I got on today. I found this little hat. I bought this from Forever 21 along with this dress that I also got from Forever 21. And then I just got like on a black turtleneck sweater and some black boots. That's my fit for today. I'm tired. My stomach is hurting a little bit. Let me see. For daycare, y'all, at home we buy Pampers for him to use, like the Pampers brand. But at daycare we use Loves because, yeah, it's good enough. Like they change him, like they change the kids like every 2 hours or something like that. So he never really, you know, it doesn't sit on there for a long time. But I need to get a pack. He's going to Macon today, so I need to get a smaller pack to put in his bag for that. work. I'm about to go ahead and end the vlog here. Yes, you guys, y'all stay tuned for the rest of the birthday festivities that are happening this weekend. It's gonna be lit. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Again, make sure y'all are subscribed to the Kicking It with the Marshalls channel. Videos will be uploaded soon. So yes, y'all go ahead and go subscribe to the girl channel. Well, me and the hubby channel. Yes. But again, outfit of the day. Just this little hat, my little overall dress. Put y'all up here. My hat, my overall dress, sweater, and tall boots. Well, not too tall, but. So this is me on my birthday part 2. Casual Friday, you know, so I wanted to keep it simple. But yes, you all, thank you all so much for watching. I'll just talk to y'all later. Peace. My birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey. So tell your girl happy birthday. Thank you all for everybody who already said happy birthday. Thank y'all in advance.